Discover something imaginative, inspiring, and extraordinary. Ovation Hotel offers accommodations and experiences, luxury amenities, generous services, inspired technology, and seasoned personnel dedicated to your best experience. Located in downtown Sarasota at the corner of Palm and Coconut Avenues, Ovation is in the heart of the city and across from Florida Studio Theater. Known as Florida's Cultural Coast, Sarasota is home to a professional symphony, ballet and opera and more than 10 theaters and 30 art galleries. Within the lobby is the sleek gallery lounge and its surrounds of sculptures, paintings, video and performance arts. Here, conversations happen almost by themselves as guests, patrons and performers bask in a never-changing environment of creative arts. Artist-conceived interiors present for your comfort and enjoyment. A dramatic juxtaposition of dark and light, specially selected artwork for each room, entertaining extras, floor-to-ceiling windows, state-of-the-art technology, specially selected reading and an artist's sketchbook for your use during your stay. By day, a sunny destination for a swim. By night, a destination unto itself as perspective transforms into a welcomed, rooftop retreat. With a heated pool, private poolside cabanas, comfortable seating, cafe fare and the allure of city and bay views, perspective elevates each evening or event into a memorable celebration. Service is paramount at Ovation Hotel. Select the level of service perfect for your event and then select from multiple event venues. With a staff of engaged professionals and more than 30,000 SF of varied entertainment venue spaces, we're sure you will find the perfect event space and services to suit your needs.